Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily manage Wi-Fi Direct settings on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So first, what you guys need to do is click on the menu button here and go over to network, which is the number 4 here. Now click OK. Here we need to scroll a bit down until we see Wi-Fi Direct. Here we have the push button, pin code or manual. Here we have the group owner, device info or the status info, and much more. So here you can basically manage your Wi-Fi connection with the printer, and you can easily check everything. As you guys can see here, you can do it again and again. Let me show you. Here we can basically check the status info. Let's say here we have the status, as you guys can see, and this is how you can easily do that. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.